Bharatiya Vasa Samiti Amadi University Grant Commission UGC ki micheng makhada Manipuri Vasa Samvardan Samiti MBSS Manipur University na senduna academic writing to develop textbook for higher education in Bharatiya language Manipur Hiramda Numit Nini Chathagadaba author singi workshop program ama Manipur University ki VC court hall da Ngashidagi Houdokkhre Thoramaduda UGC New Delhi Deputy Secretary Dr. Mriganka Sekhar Sharma former VC Dhanamajuri University Professor and Ras Mohan Singh Amadi Manipur University of Culture gi Vice Chancellor Professor P. Gunindro Singh na Mitunglen Singh oina saruyaki Thoramga Mari Ledena MBSS Manipur University ki nodal officers oiriba Professor and Lokendra na language yaudana culture mapung fabang ngamloi haina phongdoki makna makha tana haikibada language amadi culture asi punna chatmin naraba matamda lamdam adugi chapchaba masang maong khangbang ngamgani haiki NEP 2020 lakpadagi school education dagi hauraga university level fawda regional language sing mapung fana tambagi tangai fadaba leiri masina hogalakliba mahairoi singda manglomda chatpa ngamlagani haiki thoramaduda MBSS Manipur University ki nodal representative professor as Imoba yauna University Amadi College Singdagi Oza Kayana Saruyaki.
Language is an important component of culture of a given society. Language and culture, these are actually two sides of the same coin. Without language, culture cannot be encouraged, culture cannot be popularized, and we cannot make any advancement in the field of culture. Therefore, the policy planners and the think tank in India who were instrumental in bringing out the NEP 2020, they argued that regional language should be encouraged at all levels of education in the country, starting from school education to higher education. And it is only through this way that the real potentialities of the Indian students can be harnessed, explored, encouraged, and we can all motivate them to go to the higher level of thinking